You ready to practice your new chords? Let's go. In this beginner's guitar lesson, I'm going to show you a few practice chord progressions that you can play after you've learned some of these basic major and minor chords in the key of C. And in the key of C, we have 6 major and minor chords. We have C, D minor, E minor, F, G, and A minor. Some really great chords there. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, three, four. 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 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, three, four. One, two, three, four. Now all this practice, all these chord progressions are really good, and they can really help you work on your muscle memory, really help your fingers to get used to the changes from one chord to another. The more you practice, the more this will become second nature to you. So don't give up. Remember, practice makes improvement, and you know, every time you do this, you'll get 1% better. Go round them as often as you like. Change the speed, go faster, go slower. Also, maybe make them half bars instead of full bars of the chord. Alternatively, if you're just starting out and you're really having a hard time, then double the length of the bar. Instead of playing 4 bars, play 8 bars. There are loads more progressions that you could try by simply putting those chords in a different combination that sounds good to you. Give it a try. So practice, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.